Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and going straight to Settings. This places you where System Controls live. Tap Sounds and Vibration, because Do Not Disturb is grouped with audio and notification controls. Once there, find the Do Not Disturb option, it's usually below Notifications, and tap it to open the main controls. Make sure you are on the device, not a paired watch, and that you have a current Samsung One UI version, because labels vary slightly between releases. Now configure how Do Not Disturb behaves. Turn it on, then choose Allow Exceptions so important calls or alarms still get through. You can add specific contacts or repeat callers, and you can allow alarms, media, or touch sounds. That's why exceptions matter. Next, set schedules, pick a recurring time, or tie it to calendar events for meetings. Once done, review priority-only settings to ensure calls from favorites ring, because improper exceptions are the most common source of missed alerts. Finally, activate Do Not Disturb either manually or by confirming your schedule and watch the status icon appear. You'll know it's running. Test it by placing a call or message from an allowed contact and from a blocked one, so you confirm exceptions behave as configured. If it fails, reboot the phone and recheck settings. Also confirm focus or connected devices aren't overriding DND. If problems persist, update the system software. Older builds sometimes misapply exceptions, which
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.